Hello guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks and Tweaks, and this channel I post content on phone tricks and cryptocurrencies, yes, and how to do some stuff on your phone. And in this video, this is a crypto video, and I'll be showing you guys how you can buy Greatmars Token on PANCAKE SWAP, and you add it to your portfolio, your trust wallet. So all you need to do is to watch this video and stay to the end. Now, this WhatsApp group is a group where I get updates on new tokens that are out. I have guys that do research, and we select tokens that have potentials. The value are like 0.00000. We just buy them, we keep them, so that when they pump, we make money from them. So they said Greatmars is a very good token, so I would be teaching you guys how you can buy Greatmars and add it to your portfolio. Just little money. For example, if you notice in this place, the guy said please make sure you buy as much as you can, but buy what you can stand to lose. I know it will be a great project, but this is not a financial advice. So basically, this is what you guys should say. Now it told us that the slippage is 0.5. The contract address, this is the contract address. Greatmars is the name, and slippage is 11. Sorry. So all we need to do is to just copy the contract address, right? Copy the contract address, and we're putting the contract address in the description, so that for those of you that are trying to get the contract address, you can check the description. But if you want to check the contract address or you want to learn more about this token, all you need to do is to just go write Greatmars token contract address. Yeah, just click on this. Most likely it's going to be on BSC scanner. Click on BSC scanner. If you click on BSC scanner, you're going to see that the number of people holding the token, there are 225 addresses, 821 transfers. The contract address is there, the decimal is 11. So you just click on copy, right? This is a new token. A lot of people are not really aware of this. Look at 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes, people are buying the token. It's a new token. So all you need to do is you've copied the Greatmars contract address. Is a BEP20, so it's in Binance Smart Chain. You come to your trust wallet, right? When you get to your trust wallet, what you're going to do, trust wallet is crashing. You open your trust wallet, you come to the top part of your trust wallet, token finance collectibles. You click on this double dot, you scroll to the end. I've done this countless times, but I just keep doing it for new people that will be searching. So you click on add custom token, and you change this Ethereum network to BSC Smart Chain. This is a BEP20 network, and you click on paste. It brings out everything. Greatmars GM decimal 18. You click on done, you add it. Now I'm not going to click on done because I already have this token, so let me just show you that I have it and I bought some of it before. This is it, Greatmars BEP20. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to look down the end of your wallet. You see wallet, the apps, DEX, and you see settings. You click on the apps. Now when you click on the apps, you're going to you scroll down. Under DeFi, you see PANCAKE SWAP. DeFi means decentralized finance. On PANCAKE SWAP, you can buy tokens that have been newly listed that are not on your trust wallet, or that are not on Binance. So you click on PANCAKE SWAP, right? When you open your PANCAKE SWAP, the slippage is 11. I'm going to show you where you're going to put the slippage and every other thing you should do. But when you open your PANCAKE SWAP, if your PANCAKE SWAP is not showing this Binance icon on the top and you show maybe Ethereum, you need to click on it and change it to Binance. Very important. Then if you look down, you're going to see something like a code OXE32132. It shows that my trust wallet is connected to my PANCAKE SWAP. If your own is not showing that code and it shows something like connect, a blue connect, click on the connect, click on trust wallet. Your trust wallet will be automatically connected. That was on this top corner. Yes, so when it is connected, the next thing you're going to do is you come to this exchange, click on it, you click on the settings. You click on the settings of the exchange and make sure it is on 11%. Don't forget, that is what you use to exchange. Then you click on select a currency. You copy the contract address. You're just going to paste that contract address here. It's going to bring out the token, paste the contract address, it will bring out the good Greatmars. So you click on it to bring out the token, you click on add, you click on add, you click on Greatmars. Now if you see from here, I have some Greatmars in my balance, so I'm not going to buy, you understand, but I'll show you guys how to buy. So from your BNB, your Binance Smart Chain, you're going to transfer money to your Greatmars. Now if you don't know how to fund your Binance Smart Chain, I don't think you can continue this video. All you need to do is just go and check my previous video. I've done a video on how to fund your Binance Smart Chain from your Binance wallet or from your crypto wallet, whatever wallet you are using. I've done a video on that. Just watch it and fund your Binance Smart Chain. I don't want this video to be too long, so I won't be showing you guys that. Go and watch that previous video. But if you have money on your Binance Smart Chain already, you just click on the amount of Greatmars you want to buy. So you swap with the money on your Binance. So let's say I want to buy 0.0035 Greatmars, right? The quantity is going to come out 0.0. Look at it, it's like 1.6 trillion or so. Then you click on swap, you click on swap, it's going to bring out some other stuff. You click on swap and you wait. Now it's going to tell you confirm swap, you confirm, you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm swap, it's going to show you the amount that will be debited from your account. You click on continue, you click on confirm, and the money will be debited. Then the Greatmars will be released to your trust wallet. I'm not going to do that because I already have the token already. So all you need to do is to now come to your trust wallet. You come to your trust wallet and you just scroll and you search for Greatmars. This is it. You see the amount of Greatmars you have in your trust wallet. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on your post notification on so that you can get updates on all the new tokens and how you can buy them. I'll show you step by step. There are some tokens that are very technical, some are very easy. I'll be showing you how to buy these tokens so that you can enrich your portfolio, and when they begin to pump, you can make lots of money. My name still remains Agabs, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.